Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP pre-calculus type of a question from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. Excuse me. Let's solve it together. If f of x equals x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 2, what is true about the graph? So, we're talking about here. So we have a numerator, x squared minus 1. This can be rewritten as x plus 1 times x minus 1. How do we know that? Because this is a difference of two squares. We know that a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. So the numerator is simplified. In denominator is already given as simplified version. So I can go ahead and write f of x now as x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 2. So if you can just pay attention, these x minus 1s are canceling out. This is the time where the whole occurs. So if x minus 1 equals 0, we're going to add 1 to both sides. X equals 1. So this is the whole. We have whole at 1. What about the vertical asymptote? The vertical asymptote is all about the denominator. So we don't have anything to cancel x plus 2 in the numerator. You gotta be just making sure about that. So take away 2 from both sides. X equals negative 2 is the vertical asymptote. So when you go through the choices, choice A has whole at x equals 1 and vertical asymptote at x equals negative 2. This is perfectly matches with our analysis. B, vertical asymptote has x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. No, they're not two vertical asymptotes. Holes at x equals 1 and negative 2. No, we don't have two holes. No vertical asymptotes or holes. No. And this is how you solve this kind of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.